Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to generate e-way bill through Saral accounts and billing software. There are two methods to generate e-way bill in Saral accounts and billing software. Method 1, e-way bill generation through DC Outward, and method 2 is e-way bill generation through sales invoice. The e-way bill generated can be uploaded to e-way bill common portal in two ways through Saral accounts and billing software. One, via the individual sales invoice or the DC outward generated, and the second one is via the bulk e-way generation module available in the GST returns compliance module. Let us now see the steps to generate the e-way bill and upload the same to e-way bill common portal. To start with, go to the inventory module and the inventory settings. Here, click on Enable eWay option under the features and apply the settings done. After applying these settings, go to the home screen or the dashboard and click on GST return, or go to the compliance menu and click on GST returns. You will be navigated to the GST returns module. Here, click on Settings and enter the e-way bill common portal login details and save the informations. After these settings are done, go to the inventory module and click on Transaction Formats. Here, select the sales invoice format and enable the option Generate e-way JSON on Save, which will enable the e-way bill generation for each sales invoices generated, and also enable e-way number option to enter the e-way bill number after the e-way bill number is generated. Similarly, to generate the e-way bill for all the DC outward, go to the respective DC outward format and enable the option Advanced Format. Once this format is enabled, next enable the option Generate e-way JSON on Save to generate the e-way bill for each DC outwards, and also enable e-way bill number or the e-way number option to enter the e-way bill number after the e-way number is generated. Let us now see how to generate a e-way bill through sales invoice. Go to the sales invoice generation screen. Here, select the customer details, that is the customer name from the drop down. Then select the item that is being transported and the item quantity. Then enter the relevant details and save. On save, you will be asked whether you would like to generate the e-way bill. Click on Yes. You will be taken to the e-way bill entry module. Here, provide the relevant details, that is the transporter details like the transporter ID, the transporter name, etc., and the e-way bill details required for the e-way bill number generation, that is the supply type, the mode of transportation, the vehicle number through which the goods are being transported, the approximate distance between the supplier and the recipient. Provide these details and continue. On providing and saving these information, you will be asked for generating the e-way bill JSON file. Click on Yes and continue. The JSON file will be created. Then it will be asked for uploading the details to the e-way bill common portal. And you will be auto-navigated to the common bill portal, wherein provide the capture details and login. On logging into the portal, the JSON file created in the software will be auto-uploaded in the system portal. After the JSON file is uploaded, click on Upload. The details entered in the software will be shown for the user for confirmation. On confirming these details, click on Generate to generate the e-way bill number. In this way, the e-way bill number can be generated on doing the sales invoice. In the similar way, through the DC outward transaction too, the e-way bill can be generated. E-way bill upload and generation can be done in bulk for all the sales and DC outward transactions through the GST written module. To generate e-way bill in bulk, go to e-way in GST written module and select e-way. Here, select the transactions for upload and click on Create JSON. On creation of JSON file, click on Upload to upload this JSON file to the e-way bill common portal. You will be navigated to the e-way bill common portal, wherein enter the CAPTCHA code and click on Login. On login, the JSON file created will be auto-uploaded to the portal. Now click on Upload to upload these informations into the portal. On uploading, verify the details and click on Generate. The e-way bill number will be generated and the same has to be now copied on to the software. That is, navigate to the individual transactions and copy the e-way bill number for the particular transactions and save the informations. In this way, e-way bill can be generated and uploaded through several accounts. Thank you for watching. For more such updates, please subscribe to our channel in YouTube.